In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting in Odoo step by step. Whether you're new to Odoo or simply looking to streamline your scheduling process, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Odoo homepage. This is your launch pad for accessing all of the different modules and applications Odoo has to offer. Once you're there, look for the Calendar app. It's here that all your scheduling magic will happen. Click on the Calendar app to open it up and get started with your meeting setup. Next, you're going to click on the New button. This will allow you to create a new event or meeting in your calendar. Think of it as grabbing a fresh piece of paper where you can jot down all your meeting details. Now, it's time to give your meeting a title. This step is crucial because a descriptive and clear meeting subject will make it easy for your attendees to understand the purpose of the meeting at a glance. Type in your meeting subject to keep things simple and straightforward. Once you've set the subject, it's time to specify the meeting's time frame. Input both the start date and the end date for your meeting. This will give a clear time frame for when your meeting officially kicks off and when it will wrap up. It's important to double check these times for accuracy, as this affects the availability and coordination with attendees. Moving forward, you'll also want to define the duration of the meeting. This helps your attendees plan accordingly and ensures that the meeting doesn't drag on longer than necessary. It keeps everyone on track and respects their time. Now comes an essential part of the setup, adding your attendees. In the appropriate field, you can input the number of people who will be participating in the meeting. This helps in making sure everyone necessary is included and notified about the meeting. Next up is selecting your meeting's location. You have the option to choose a physical meeting room if you're meeting in person, or you can set it up as an online meeting, which is very handy, especially for dispersed teams. Ensure your chosen location aligns with the nature of your meeting for a smooth experience. Finally, it's good to know that Odoo is designed to help you by automatically saving your meeting details as you go. You don't need to worry about clicking a save button. Your settings are stored in real time, so you can focus on the meeting itself rather than technical details. And there you have it. You've successfully created a meeting in Odoo. This process helps keep your scheduling organized and efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has made your experience with Odoo even more seamless.